your day off.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog and welcome to a very nice, relaxing Monday. When does that ever happen? Oh, it feels so good. Today's President's Day, so I'm taking a sort of day off. I'm gonna get a little bit of work done this afternoon, but just taking it really easy this morning. Obviously, Connor and I went for a really lovely walk, which was great. Got some matcha. I've not had a matcha like made from somewhere in so long, and it's so good. Ignore my hair too, by the way. Clearly has not been done. So it is about 11:30 now, and I don't know why, but I woke up and I was like, I think I want to make breakfast this morning, which I never do. I'm still not eating it at a breakfast time because I'm really not that hungry when I first wake up. But I still thought that some breakfast could be good, so I think I'm gonna try to make some breakfast potatoes and a little bit of French toast. A little day off treat to myself. Okay, friends, we're gonna get going on our breakfast now. Peel and quarter potatoes. I don't really want mine peeled though. Like, I feel like the skin will make it so like nice and crispy. So I'm just gonna leave mine. We're gonna wing this, you know? I'm not a breakfast gal, so the whole thing is really just gonna be made up as we go anyway. Got our potatoes. I'm just going to cut them in half now. And now I'm gonna throw these in the microwave for maybe 2 minutes and see how that goes. Let's see how our potatoes are doing, shall we? So the knife should be able to go in with a little bit of resistance. Okay, I think it needs more time. There we go. Got everything for our French toast in this bowl. Now I'm just gonna whisk it together. Check the potatoes again. Yeah, I think that'll be A-okay. All right. Dice up the potatoes into roughly 1/2-inch pieces before you add them into the skillet. Okay, I have some butter, oil, and garlic heating up in the pan here, and the garlic is just starting to brown, so I'm gonna throw the potatoes in now. And now start seasoning. I'm gonna do pepper, a really good amount of salt, obviously. Some more garlic, some paprika, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. Now for the French toast. We have our mixture here. Okay, we got 2 slices of bread here. Going to put it into the mixture to absorb some. Okay, here we go. We're doing 1 and 2. I have to say, the French toast, it's not looking too hot. I don't know if that's going to be a success. Right now it's seeming like it's more than likely a big old fail. But we'll see what happens. Potatoes are still cooking up though. Starting to get nice and crispy, so I'm excited about that. So I got one thing going for me. I tried flipping the French toast. It went okay, but I'm thinking that more than likely these are goners. Okay, I'm officially calling the French toast a fail. They look semi-salvageable, but mostly not. And so, goodbye, French toast. But I think avocado toast will treat me right. You know, the French toast was a fail, but I'm pretty happy with how my breakfast turned out regardless. Still looking pretty damn good.
Oh, that's so tasty.
Right? How good are those potatoes?
Well seasoned, baby.
Thank you. They are tasting amazing. I killed the potatoes. Oh, I haven't had avocado toast in years, I think. They're good. I just feel bad ordering it out, and I never think to make it at home. So good.
It's so simple.
Yeah, exactly. I want to pay like $20 for something I can make at home so easily.
Oh, sick.
Molly cat.
Good kitty cat.
So desperate for the turkey.
You're gonna be a dog in no time.
Well, breakfast for lunch was delicious and it was a very relaxing morning, but now I do have some work that I want to get done. Even though today is technically a day off, I feel like I'd rather just stay on top of it. I'm not gonna do that much, but a little bit here and there is definitely important to get done. And we're gonna put on Real Housewives of Potomac while I do it. I'm on to season 2 now, which is truly a delight. Well, I feel like today is the perfect day to finally get around to my DIY project that I've been putting off for so long. Like, how long have I been talking about doing this DIY? Forever. But finally feel like I have time. So, in case you don't know, basically I got these little glass vases. They're super cute. So each of them are a different shape. So I want to open up all of those quickly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some paint that I picked up and mix it with some cornstarch to make it like really matte and sort of not ceramic, you know, like unfinished pottery or something like that. I don't know, does that make sense? So these little ones, I know one is definitely gonna go on my nightstand, and I don't really know what I'll do with the rest of them yet, to be honest. But look at how cute, like they're just so tiny and so pretty. I love all the little patterns on them that will show through. It's gonna be really pretty cool. We're on the floor. Molly Cat has joined us. Molly, wait, Molly. Okay. And basically I have this little setup here, so I'm going to paint them inside of this box, and I'm going to keep the actual paint color in here, and I have like that underneath the box in case it melts through it anyway, because we are just winging this situation. I basically went to the store and got these two paints. They're from Liquitex, heavy bodied acrylic. I don't know if this is right or not. I don't know anything about art. They had the colors that I wanted. So this is a really light sort of tan color, but I do think I'm gonna want it to be slightly darker. So I got some brown too, just in case. But obviously we're gonna start with just the tan and sort of see what the deal will be.
Molly Cat's your assistant?
Yes, that's right.
So cute that she just loves hanging with you.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Cornstarch plus paint, and I'm just gonna start mixing, see how this goes. I'm just gonna start with sort of my least favorite one. Sorry, Connor's playing games out there. That's what that loud cheering is. And I'm just gonna see how this goes on there. All right, I'm leaving these babies to dry in here. We're gonna see how they look once they're completely dry. And Connor and I are working on another project. Oh boy. Gonna try to hang some curtains. This should be interesting. Look at that, we have curtains.
And just like that.
Yep, it took no effort at all. Just kidding, we died.
Yeah.
But they look great. We're so happy with them. Check on the vases. Oh yeah, I think this one ended up being my favorite. This one's pretty cute too though. I really like them. I think they turned out great. They're not totally dry yet. Like I can feel they're a little sticky, so I want to leave them a little bit longer. All right, Connor's working on a caprese salad for us, which I am so excited for. It's going to be so good. And I decided today to try a new game, which I'm very excited about. It's The Last of Us Part 2. I played Part 1 on PlayStation 3, so very intrigued to dive back into this baby. Oh my gosh, look at this pizza that just got here. We ordered from PBLC Trade again. This looks incredible. I am so excited.
Prosciutto and burrata.
Right? Like, what could be better?
And look how good that looks.
I'm so excited. Oh man, the Japanese pizza. Oh, I am so excited to like have some sort of weird pizzas tonight.
Yeah.
This is gonna be so good. Well, you guys, that is the end of our night here. A nice little day off. Every weekend should be a 3-day weekend. I feel so much better. Glad that we finally got a couple of those things done. Our curtains hung, my little DIY project. I'm still letting them totally dry, so I'll show you guys sort of the finished placement, all of that in my next vlog. But really quickly, before I head into bed, I wanted to open this package for you. This is from a brand called Tattoo Designs, and they just designed really beautiful and unique pieces. And they reached out to me and asked if they could send me a piece, and I said yes, I would love that. I picked out these earrings, which I'm obsessed with. Look at these. These are seriously so cool, so beautiful. All the little details in it are so gorgeous. I am obsessed. And they're really lightweight, which is always important to me because I have pretty sensitive ears when I'm wearing earrings, and most of the time I end up having to pop earrings out of my ears, but that's why I really like finding lightweight earrings like these that aren't gonna make my ears hurt. Wow, these are so pretty. I absolutely love them. So there you go. Big thank you to Tattoo Designs for these gorgeous earrings. I'm going to have a link to their website down below as well as a discount code for you guys. So feel free to go check it out. Treat yourself to something. Why not, right? And with that, I think I'm going to end this vlog. It is 9:45 and Connor and I are going to climb into bed and watch some TV in there and then get ready to go back to our normal work week tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and I'll see you in my next video.